Hello, my name is Sandra, and on today's video, we'll be talking about how to become a professional data analyst in this digital age. Data analysis involves collecting, organizing, and analyzing data from different sources such as surveys, experiments, and a whole lot of others. Data analysis is a powerful tool that makes organizations and industries to make improved and better decisions. As a professional data analyst, you would have increased efficiency, you enhance your customer satisfaction, and you make better improved decisions on risk management. And now, what are the tools you have to learn if you want to be a data analyst? We have Excel, we have Stata, we have SPSS, we have Microsoft Power BI, we have Tableau, we have Python for data analysis and visualization, we have SQL, we have R programming language. Do you also know that data analysis is considered to be an in-demand skill in 2025 by the World Economic Forum? If you want to be a professional data analyst, and a good one at that, there are some tips you will have to take into cognizance. Number one, consider enrolling at a computer training center where you will get practical hands-on training on data analysis and visualization. 2, register at a computer training school where there is less crowded classroom. 3, register at a center where a trainer will be assigned to you for better coaching, guide, and monitoring. For the past 11 years, we have been offering practical hands-on training on data analysis and visualization training. Here at Bismarck Technologies, we do not offer crowded classroom training. A trainer is assigned to you and you get to build real-life projects just before you graduate. Trust me, you don't want to miss this deal. So visit any of our offices today to register or call the numbers on your screen to get more information. Until I come your way again next time, bye for now.